necessitate.com claims to be a revolutionary decentralized gaming platform, where users can supposedly earn real money through original games and licensed slots, all backed by blockchain technology. Sounds like a dream for crypto enthusiasts and gamers, right? But before you get too excited, let's take a closer look. On the surface, the platform markets itself with flashy promises and sleek buzzwords. But behind the curtain, things start to look suspicious. One major red flag is the overwhelming number of fake reviews, most of them copy-pasted and overly positive, which instantly raises eyebrows. Digging deeper, we found reports of users being unable to withdraw their winnings, which is a serious concern for any platform dealing with real money. Their so-called impressive stats seem highly exaggerated, with traffic and payout numbers that don't line up with any real data. Even the history of the site appears to be made up. There's no trace of its existence before a few months ago, yet it claims to be a well-established platform. Not to mention, the entire website feels like a copy-paste job from other shady sites we've seen before, including suspiciously identical layouts and terms. Then there are the claimed partnerships, none of which can be verified. In fact, several of the supposed partners have denied any association with necessitate.com. So is necessitate.com legit or just another crypto scam hiding behind flashy tech jargon? While we're not saying it's 100% a scam, the red flags are too many to ignore, and it certainly doesn't inspire trust. Proceed with extreme caution, or better yet, stay away. If this review helped you stay informed and safe, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest breakdowns, scam alerts, and smart tech insights.